over solar panels development, whereas the perovskite material has 15% and the mountain load has 30%.
The efficiency what of it?
Yes.
We are talking about the values.
The efficiency is calculated by the incoming voltage.
Specifications related to the cell.
Specifications related to the cell. It is depending on the material itself and the surface we are applying.
We are not going to make it.
Sir is asking that, suppose you have given a solar panel in 1 volt. How much output voltage can be generated from that 1 solar panel?
It can be calculated per square root area. I can say how much it can develop on a per square root area. A per root area, the titanium can generate up to 4 kilowatt.
2 kilowatt.
No, sorry, 4 watt. And the same applies on